Today we're going to be manifesting $100,000. Get comfortable. Take a nice deep breath in. Even though I want $100,000, I choose to love, honor, and accept myself. Even though I need $100,000, I choose to love, honor, and accept myself. And even though I feel doubt when I think about actually manifesting $100,000, I choose to love, honor, and accept myself. I want $100,000. I need $100,000. Right now, tax-free, in my hands. And while part of me believes that's possible, part of me doubts that it's possible for me. Oh, sure, it could happen for other people. I believe that. But when it comes to me and money, I have doubts. I feel fear. I overthink. And I don't know what to do. Universe, show me how easy it can be. Show me how fast I can make $100,000. Show me how easily this can show up in my field. I can align with this energy because the money is energy. And I am energy. I am way more than $100,000 worth of energy. In fact, that's a lowball offer. I know it. And the universe knows it. So I'm choosing to release any doubts about my worthiness or ability to attract $100,000. I know the universe loves me. Money loves me. And they both want to see me happy. And when I think of myself with $100,000, I feel really happy. I choose to align with it. To allow the universe to clear the paths that lead this money to me. I do not have to work harder. I do not have to sacrifice anything in order to make more money. already am worth it. I deserve it. I feel deserving. I am deserving of $100,000 today. I feel aligned with $100,000 in body, mind, and spirit. Nice deep breath in and exhale. Now, there's a lot of different ways you can make some money, and the universe is perfectly capable of handling all of that. So, when it comes to this, just keep doing this session. Let me know how you felt after this, and be consistent. You will absolutely see results with this when you stay with this practice. It's like affirmations. It's like anything that you do consistently. You go to the gym, you start to see results. You keep tapping, and you will manifest more money. I promise you, this is one of the greatest practices that I have ever been introduced to, and you can use it for just about anything. So keep this clarity, keep this consistency, and keep going. You got this.